The lemon water diet entails consuming a mixture of water and lemon to achieve a variety of purposes. These include detoxification, weight loss, and boosting the body's ability to fight inflammation. Who is this diet for? Lemon water is undoubtedly a popular home remedy that is ideal for anyone looking to lose weight, improve digestion, relieve kidney stones, and eliminate toxins. Consider consuming the beverage if you are looking for a refreshing pick-me-up option. Lemon water boosts both metabolism and energy levels, thus re-energizing you following some downbeat moments. There are some amazing benefits of the lemon water diet. Lemon water is great for antioxidants and anti-inflammation. Vitamin C in lemon juices enables the body to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants play a meaningful role in combating cancer, obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Lemon water can help kidney stones. Research suggests that the lemon water diet may improve the condition of people affected by kidney stones. Medical professionals use a compound known as citrate to treat the condition. Lemon water comes with a significant amount of citrate. Taking part in the 14-day lemon water challenge elevates citrate levels in urine. Water intake is highly beneficial when striving to prevent the development of kidney stones. The benefits of water are not to be underestimated. When aiming to lose weight, drinking water increases a feeling of feeling full and metabolic activity. These two aspects play an essential role in weight reduction. Consuming large quantities of water to boost cognitive function and optimize mood. Additionally, water improves digestive function by relieving complications associated with constipation. Lemon water also optimizes pH balance. Over 2 weeks, lemon water alkalizes the body to control the body's acidity levels. As such, the lemon water diet helps relieve a wide selection of gastrointestinal complications. These stomach problems include indigestion, swelling, nausea, parasites, and heartburn. Water is also undoubtedly a potent diuretic as it helps the body increase the urge to urinate, thus expelling toxins and waste. Lemons derive their superior diuretic properties from high levels of minerals, antioxidants, and vitamins. Recently, I discovered that drinking lemon water while fasting enhances the effectiveness of the diuretic properties. Another amazing benefit is the impact lemons have on the skin. Lemon water can make the skin look radiant thanks to the detoxification benefits of the mixture. Drinking the beverage in the morning as part of the 14-day lemon water challenge purifies the skin cells. However, there are some cons to drinking lemon water. The citric acid in lemon juice can cause enamel erosion or tooth decay, so drink through a straw. For some people, it may trigger nausea, heartburn, vomiting, and other gastroesophageal reflex complications. Another con is you will be going to the toilet a lot. Not really convenient if you're in work and every 15 seconds you have the urge to pee. Here are some great lemon water diet tips. When planning to spice up the taste of lemon water, I recommend trying ingredients like a mint leaf, turmeric, a dash of cinnamon, maple syrup, fresh ginger, raw honey, or lemon rind. On the other hand, drinking the beverage from a straw minimizes the risk of enamel erosion or tooth decay. The best way to prepare the beverage is to squeeze juice from fresh organic lemons into a glass of cold or warm water. I recommend opting for filtered water. Additionally, you can prepare lemon ice cubes for added convenience. If you don't have lemons to hand, why not buy some lemon drops online? This is a quick and easy way to get the benefits of lemon juice. So does the lemon water diet really work? Yes, it does. Remember, it's okay to eat other foods along with taking lemon water. Your goal is not to starve. All I recommend is to just start drinking more lemon water every day and noticing the benefits to your skin and health. Don't be shocked if you get some headaches or feel lethargic in the beginning after consuming lemon water. This may be because your body is not used to all the detoxifying. To consume large amounts of lemon water, buy a liter bottle, grab a straw, and squeeze those bad boy lemons in. Good luck! Remember to like and subscribe.